It shakes, this bridge shakes. Someone posted on Google reviews and gave it a 1 star and said too religious. Yeah, so we just arrived in Tekapo and we're extremely exhausted. We just did a 4-hour drive from Avalanche Peak hike, which was like another 8-hour hike. I'll let you know what happens. We're at Lake Tekapo. It's really still, as you can see. Up there is the observatory. Today we're gonna head to Mount Cook and do the Hooker Valley track. So we're at the Mount Cook National Park and we're about to do the Hooker Valley track. So we made it to the Hooker Valley track. As you can see in the background, there's amazing mountains and we're gonna do this track now. It just looks amazing. So yeah, we're on the bridge right now. This is one of the most iconic bridges, as you can see. The water stream from Mueller's Lake just running through and it shakes, this bridge shakes. And everyone's just like running across it. Oh. Woo! So we just came from Hooker Valley. The Hooker Valley track is this beautiful track right behind us. It's extremely dark right now, so we've just left it. Edward and Kirstin decided to ditch us halfway. It was pouring rain while we were there, so we didn't really get many good shots. And we need this head torch to kind of see to get our way back. Luckily this track is quite simple to navigate through because it's just flat grounds. Whereas other tracks, like the Avalanche Peak we did yesterday, was just insanely difficult to be able to get through it at night, so we had to do it in the daytime. But yeah. We arrived at the Tasman Glacial Lake. The view is incredible. As you can see up there, it's the Nun's Vale. I don't know if you can see that, but the Nun's Vale is a mountain, but I thought it was actually like some religious place because someone posted on Google reviews and gave it a 1 star and said too religious. This location is actually shrinking in ice, so
global warming.
Is it actually?
I don't know, I'd say so.
Yeah?
Yeah,
so everyone says it's global warming. I think so too. We're gonna head up to Mueller's hut, which is somewhere up there. It's an 8-hour hike, so we're gonna try get there before the sun sets and we'll show you what happens.